What's up guys, take a new video. So today I want to do a crazy experiment for myself. The Boombox 3 versus a stereo set of Acoustic Energy with a tube Bluetooth amplifier. So the amplifier is really very compact, but you do need to use a power AC cable. But yeah, overall this kind of amplifiers are cool. The downside about tubes, they have to warm up 10 minutes or so. So before I make the audio test in this video, I will let it burn a little bit, to call it like that. So the Boombox 3 retails around 500-550 euros. And these two speakers with this tube amplifier are around 50% of that price. So this video is more like an experiment and also to show you what you can get for much less. Of course, for 500 euros you can even get like much bigger speakers and so on, very old. But this is like, what can you get in a new condition like the ABL for 50% of the price. So without further ado, we will go to the audio test. But as I mentioned before, the audio test has been recorded 10-15 minutes later after this recording. So after audio test I can say that like the Boombox 3 is a great performer in bass response. And people still think that I don't really like the speaker, that's not the problem. The bass is really strong, but the mids are really dead. It has to do with the mid drives are behind the tweeters. It's really stupid way of putting the speakers inside. And the tweeters are too harsh. Even with JBL EQ, even if you put the treble fully on 0, it doesn't really fix that issue. It does get a little bit more muffled, but those tweeters are tuned a little bit wrong out of the amplifier, to call it like that. The Acoustic Energy are very neutral speakers. You can tune them a little bit. So with, for example, this amplifier I did boost the bass and the treble a little bit up, not too much, because then it gets very undetailed and very much rumbling around. That's not really what you like, because this is really a speaker setup for people that are in focus of audio quality. This is also the reason why This is a very great setup, especially with this tube amplifier. On Bluetooth, the audio quality is already very good, but if you have a streamer, I did try this amplifier with a streamer, you do get much higher quality of audio. Especially with Tidal or even like FLAC files, you do get a very great detail. So yeah, Boombox 3 or this for 50%, I would definitely go for this. Because the Boombox 3 is great for on the go, but if you really are focusing on audio quality side and for 50% less, this is a much greater deal.